should be unlocking my window in the middle of this, but who the fuck cares? Well, I'm fucked. I wonder if you can see any lightning. I'm gonna come down here because it's like I'm getting rained on. Wind is very strong. Ah, shit. Ah, it's creepy. Fucking crap. It's not terrifying. I'm not scared. What do you think about? Trying to get some lightning, I don't know. Well, there was a blink, but it was above me, so you didn't see it. Ah! No one likes you, Thunder. I'm getting rained on. Those are big ass raindrops. I'm scared. Nuclear holocaust. Hide your women and children.